I want to start off today with a quote from one of my mentors, Brandon Bouchard, that says, with enlightenment comes the realization that the natural foe isn't death, isn't an instant death, but it is a detachment from living. And what I took from that was living a quiet existence, or living or dying before you actually physically die, is what that quote means. A lot of us die in our 20s, and we live and survive and just exist through our 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond. And we come to become these people, these elderly people who have such regrets about life that they wish they would have done, they wish they would have taken a chance on, and their dreams and hopes and goals passes away with them to the afterlife. And that's what this lesson should do, is to shake you and to tell you that if you don't take this chance on yourself now, if you don't take this chance to go down this road, this linear road of finding your passion, fulfilling your purpose, that I guarantee you life will repeat itself. History will repeat itself intentionally based on your choices that you decide to not do because you're scared of what may happen. You're not certain of what may happen. You feel like you're not resourceful enough to make it happen. One thing I've learned about faith is that there is a transition point. It's kind of like running a 4-leg race with 3 other people. When you're running to a certain, when you're running like a quarter mile, then you pass the baton to the next person, and so on and so forth until the fastest person at the last leg finishes us off and gets us to that finish line in first place. That's what life is like. That's what these moments are like that you're experiencing now with finding your passion. Is that with faith, which is God's energy, which is your belief in God, you run and you take action. You take action to a certain point, and then boom, something good happens. And you didn't expect it, you didn't see it coming because you're just in that zone. And then boom, guess what? You celebrate it, you feel good about it, you share it with other people, and then you keep on going to the next race. You keep on going to the next leg. And that's what faith is. Faith is just that next leg that you got to reach out to so that you can keep going and keep going and keep going. You don't see where it's going to end. You don't see where it's going to stop. But you just got to take the right action and the right choices towards your passion so that you can receive the results that you've been desiring yourself. And also understand that with the right choices comes from the skill set of how you learn and how you respond. Most importantly, how you learn and how you respond to one thing is how everything else in your life at that point is affected, including your choices. And like I said, and just listen to the repetition of this. It's all about choices. Finding that enlightenment within yourself allows you to find the right choices to make to reach your purpose, to reach your passion, and fulfill your purpose and your goals in your life, so that you can serve the community of humanity that you were meant to serve, so that the rest of the world can be shined on with your light, so that the world can be better than it was before you came into it. What I want you to do for this call to action is one way that I've learned to prevent history from repeating itself. Forgive yourself. All right? Forgive yourself. Forgive that relationship you were in or relationships. Forgive those bad choices that led to things that, that just wasn't right for you. And in forgiving yourself, take back that confidence and that potential that you have for yourself. Take it back. All right? It belongs to you. It needs you so that you can put it in the right place with your passion and your purpose itself. All right? Don't forget to like, comment how you felt about this video, if it brought value to you, and also subscribe to our channel. We're pushing videos out like this every day. Don't miss us. It's all connecting together to get you to your passion and your purpose. That is what I'm here for. That is why I'm a life coach for you to help you find your peak purpose as well. And even if you don't hire me, hire someone. Find someone that you can follow and believe in more than you believe in yourself, to pull you to the point where you believe in yourself more than anyone else does, so you can reach the highest version of yourself and fulfill your passion and your purpose. And until then, don't forget, your passion is God's vision. I'll see you in the next.